You know, we often think core workout matlab six pack abs or heavy gym exercises. But in reality, a strong core is not about how it looks. It's about how it feels. It's what helps you sit straight without back pain, carry groceries without strain, and move with confidence. For many of us, especially for after 40, core strength becomes the foundation for everything: posture, digestion, even balance. So, today, let's do a few simple realistic core exercises, the kind you can actually do at home without fancy equipment. Start with leg raises. This one is gentle but powerful. Lie down on your mat, hands by your side. Slowly lift both legs straight up, jitna comfortable lage, and then lower down without touching the floor. It targets your lower abs, the area most of us say, मुझे यही toning चाहिए. Go slow. Control is more important than height. When I started, I couldn't do more than 5 properly. So don't rush. Just be consistent. Now, reverse crunch. A small move but big result. Lie on your back, knees bent. Lift your hips off the floor and curl your legs inward like you are gently rolling your spine. This strengthens the deep lower abs and helps reduce that bloated belly feeling many of us complain about. Do 10 to 15 repetitions. Take small breaks if needed. Now, let's work those side muscles. Sit down, knees bent. Lean back slightly and twist side to side. You can keep your feet on the floor if lifting them feels tough. This move tones the waist area and improves your spinal flexibility. और हाँ, थोड़ा slow रखो. Focus on your control, not speed. I usually put on some light music and count in rhythm to make it more fun. Next, the classic crunch. Lie down, knees bent, feet flat, hands slightly behind your head or crossed over your chest. Lift your shoulders off the floor using your abs, not your neck. Breathe out as you go up. Breathe in as you come down. This mainly targets the upper abs. 12-15 repetitions are perfect. Even if you lift just a few inches, that's fine. The goal is to feel your abs engaged. And finally, the bicycle crunch is a complete core move. Hands behind head, lift legs and alternate bringing elbow to opposite knee. It works your upper abs, lower abs and obliques all at once. It's like a full meal for your core. Keep the motion smooth and controlled. जैसे साइकिल चला रहे हो. Do 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. और याद रखो, if you can't keep up in the beginning, slow down, not stop. Crunch isolates upper abs, but bicycle crunch works the entire core. That's why a mix of both gives best results. हर मूव थोड़ा अलग एरिया स्ट्रेंथन करता है. Together they protect your spine, improve posture and even help digestion. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, core strength is not about flat stomachs. It's about a stronger you. आपका मूवमेंट, आपका बैलेंस और आपकी कॉन्फिडेंस सब कोर से शुरू होता है. Start with just 2 rounds of these exercises. 3 times a week. You will feel the difference in how you stand, walk and even breathe. और मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ कौन सा एक्सरसाइज आपको सबसे इफेक्टिव लगा. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and share it with someone who says अब लेट हो गया है. because it's never too late to take your first step towards strength.
Stay active, stay amazing, and see you in the next video.